Safeguarding our valuable biodiversity for posterity is a priority that cannot be neglected any longer. India is known for diverse flora and fauna, mainly varieties of crops, livestock, and plant genetic resources. The diverse agroclimatic zones and many more microhabitats within these agroclimatic zones have allowed the existence and diversity of genetic resources. Each of these zones represents unique habitat having its own physical and climatic conditions, which allows growth of region-specific plants and crops which have adapted to these conditions for years together. Number of these crop and plants have also been maintained and conserved by farmers and community groups who are traditionally dependent on these resources for their livelihood and survival. In tribal regions, one can see how communities have been living in harmony with the nature. The traditional knowledge on regions' diverse biodiversity is entwined in the celebrations of their festivals, dances, paintings, day-to-day living, and offerings to God. The tribal communities traditionally seems to know many unique practices ensuring long-term conservation and sustainable utilization of regions' rich biodiversity. Devrai, sacred forest or practice of keeping a patch of forest reserved in the name of God, is one such useful tradition. There is also a tradition of Kovri Bhaji festival, which involves collectively worshipping the newly grown shoots of trees, herbs, after the first rain and then only harvesting it for consumption. Some of these valuable genetic resources and biodiversity is now under serious threat of extinction. Not only that these resources are getting scarcer, but of late, the rich knowledge that indigenous communities have on the use and conservation practices of these diverse bioresources is fast getting eroded. The younger generations today seem to have very limited understanding of regions' biodiversity, which is an important source of food, nutrition, and livelihood security. The traditional practices, knowledge, and patterns have not been focusedly documented till now. And with the recent advent and penetration of internet in the rural areas, we have a possibility of responsibly recording the traditions and making them available to a wider interested audience. Realizing the importance of maintaining the biodiversity for future research, food security, livelihood, and risk mitigation ability of small farmers and future generations. BIF Development Research Foundation, with support of state and national government agencies, corporates, and reputed research and scientific institutes, have initiated a participatory process of in situ and ex situ conservation and revival of local cultivars including cereals, pulses, oilseeds, wild tubers, and diverse forest food resources in tribal parts of Palghar district of the state of Maharashtra. We have thus developed portals and trained the community cadre to use online connectivity to update them from time to time, making it a sustainable model. Under this, efforts have been made to document relevant knowledge and resources in this tribal cluster through the knowledge sharing portal. Try and disseminate useful knowledge to other stakeholders and to young generation by use of community network radio. Characterization and evaluation of crop, landraces and trials for productivity enhancement of worthy landraces. Local seed banks and seed exchange networks have been set up to facilitate storage, exchange, and multiplication of traditional seeds. This can be taken up as a model of replication under different community networks. Participatory events around regions' agrobiodiversity and wild food resources, giving a boost to the local community and expanding the reach of the traditional knowledge through various visiting community networks. Recognition to the communities involved and benefit sharing. Awareness generation on agrobiodiversity through seed festivals, seed savers meet. Creation of market linkages and promotion of produce of worthy cultivars through the use of e-commerce portal. The Pathway project of BIAF along with APC, Association for Progressive Communication, has helped leveraging power of ICT to document the region's rich traditional knowledge which is normally orally transferred. There was need to document indigenous resources and knowledge associated with it from the local informants and custodians of knowledge to be able to transfer it to succeeding generations by educating young people grassroots level. The use of EPI Collect app, which is a mobile based freely downloadable app, has helped offline decentralized people-centric knowledge gathering directly from the field in a participatory mode. The documented knowledge is disseminated via community radio, reaching to adjacent and local communities directly. One important step is having a knowledge portal which has all the local information and ground level data on biodiversity, region and community level processes. The resulting outcomes are generation of location-specific database on existing local cultivars made available on the internet to wider audience. Identification and involvement of local institutions and farmers for long-term conservation and management efforts in each location. Community mobilization for participation in conservation and management of resources. Network of like-minded organizations, experts and research organizations mobilized. Safeguarded the traditional knowledge and bioresources. The initiative in Palghar district of Maharashtra in India today stands as a testimony to how an ICT and digital ecosystem can be leveraged to enable a participatory process of documentation and dissemination of traditional knowledge system for reviving useful conservation processes of local bioresources, traditional arts and crafts and community-led development practices.